Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the reboot speed test comparison between the OnePlus 8T versus the Realme X7 Pro device. As you can see, friends, and both phones they do look kind of similar to each other. So because of this, all this build quality and form factor. And in this video, I'm using the Realme X7 Pro, which has the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, as you can clearly see. And here is the OnePlus 8T mobile phone, and these two phones are the kind of premium and segment mobile phones in the respective companies. And let's see, friends, which phone can actually reboot faster. And this is another reboot test which I'll be doing every time in my videos in comparing with other smartphones as well. So let me try to quickly press the power button right now. And this is the interface how it looks on the OnePlus 8T device. As you can see, emergency power off and the restart option. So same thing in the Realme X7 Pro, you'll get the power off and the restart option to select, as you can see here. So in these two phones, and in case if you want to know more details about this Realme X7 Pro, try to check the links in description where I have already uploaded more than 50 videos on this Realme X7 Pro, so which will be very interesting to know more details about this device. So before it get launched in India, you can decide whether to buy this phone or is it actually perfect for you or not. So let me try to start the restart at same time and press the stopwatch as well. So let me try to do that all at same time. As you can see, friends, I did click the reboot option in both phones at same time. So let's see which phone will actually reboot faster. And the OnePlus 8T, you can see it's showing the restarting option here. And the Realme, the logo has been come around 15 seconds. And the OnePlus 8T took about 2 seconds more to show the logo. As you can see the branding of the Realme here. And the Realme got open within 30 seconds, and within next 2 seconds or 1 second, the OnePlus 8T also got open. So overall, friends, when you compare with the both phones, they're quite close to each other only. There is not much difference. There is only difference of 1 second delay. That's it. So definitely the Realme X7 Pro is a very much tough competition to the competitor to the OnePlus 8T device, I would say, in my opinion. So in terms of the build quality, performance, loudspeaker, camera, display, in every aspect, the Realme X7 Pro is actually a replica of the OnePlus 8T, I would say, definitely, apart from the software thing. So where the OnePlus 8T has advantage of having the stock Android experience you do get in the OnePlus 8T mobile phone, but whereas in the Realme X7 Pro you do get the Realme UI, which is kind of a little bit slower, and visually I do like this kind of stock Android experience on the OnePlus 8T device. So this is a quick reboot comparison between both the smartphones, and for more this kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and do check the links in description for this live wallpaper as well, what I'm using currently in my phone. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.